it's Shaheena. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys this smoky brown glittery eye makeup look. I'm doing this look for my Eid look, Eid makeup look. So I hope you guys like this video, and without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. primer stick instead of using Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm gonna put that on my eyelid as a primer. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take All I See's Magic Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that brown that I'm going to point towards, and I'm going to build that up on my crease as much as I can, and I'm going to try to intensify the brown on my crease because I like it to be very dark. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend all the eyeshadow that's on top of the crease and at the bottom ending of my crease. And I'm going to go back and forth with the same blending brush and with the brown shadow to intensify the look. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Beauty Creations glitter primer and just prime, well, the eyeshadow line of my eyes, of my eyelid, and just like try to create a half cut crease look. Now I'm going to take this Beauty Creations glitter, and I'm basically going to put the glitter on top of where I put the glitter primer on so that it sticks. And I'm going to use that brush and just dip the brush into the glitter and just, you know, follow the area that I put the glitter primer on. And right after curling my eyelashes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Volume Mascara and just put it on my eyelashes. Honestly, I don't use mascara most of the times, but I just used it for the sake of this video. And then the last thing that I'm going to use is fake eyelashes. Honestly, I do not know where those fake eyelashes are from, but I did that off camera, and then I'm going to show you my whole look.